conform to what they want us to be, and everyone claims that they're original, but they really just like everyone else. And see, I played that game for a minute too, till I decided I was gonna be who I was created to be, unorthodox. So what's up with you? Unorthodox, trace back my earlier roots. My grandparents immigrated for food, not for loot. It ain't cute when you ain't got nothing to eat, got no spiritual foundation under your feet. Man, that's some real heat. They had eat, and that's some real street. They had retreat, they had no Christ, they had no peace, but then they met him, now they really know peace. The new worldview broke tradition. The new worldview promote cultural suspicion. The new worldview, it even brought the religion, but that same worldview got you listening. It was passed down from my parents to me. I got this unorthodox family tree. You get down with the movement, you can be fam with me. We trying to make this music to make the people free. Unorthodox, we rock those blocks, we rock the rooftops, we rock your power. Unorthodox, we shake your shop tops, we shake your top rock, we shake your bottom.